Brownfield commodity market reporter John Perkins at the closing market minute for Wednesday, May 7th. Soybeans ended the session mixed. Nearby contracts were down. Deferred months were up. A lot of the early support tied to the news that the United States and China are going to be talking tariffs this weekend died out as the session went on. Beans went back to focus on the generally favorable U.S. planting conditions and harvest activity in Argentina, with parts of Argentina expected to see some near-term delays. Corn was steady to lower, also watching U.S. planting activity, and again, conditions do look mostly favorable in much of the Midwest and Plains over the next several days, even if there is an ongoing chance of more heavy rainfall in parts of the southern Corn Belt into the southeastern United States. Weekly ethanol production and stocks were both down on the week but up on the year. And wheat was mostly lower, continuing to consolidate just a little bit in here, with seeing some pressure from the higher move in the dollar index during the session, along with planting and development conditions globally. Live and feeder cattle were lower, waiting for the rest of the week's direct cash cattle business, maybe looking a little bit technically bearish at this time. There was some light trade during the session at 219 on the live basis in the south, steady with Tuesday's activity. Still nothing yet on the dress basis. And hogs ended the session mixed, mostly lower on the ongoing questions about sustained domestic and export demand. USDA's weekly export sales numbers are out on Thursday morning. With the closing market minute for Wednesday, May 7th, I'm Brownfield commodity market reporter John Perkins.